Guys, welcome back. I'm sorry I haven't recorded a video in a long time because I get grounded and I just not gonna tell you why. And today we're in a different location and I'm doing a vlog, baby. Heck yeah! Not some gaming video. What? And I'm having a cameraman, a camera girl, but her name is Mackenzie. You've seen her in some of my videos. So whenever she's here, we're gonna do a vlog. So today we're gonna give you a house tour. Let's go.
And are we going that way?
Yeah, we're getting that way. Oh, okay. Okay. Here's the camera. Like basically computer because you're recording this as the computer. So here we have the living room. We're putting it on silent because it's gonna tear up the video. And yeah, we get the pictures. My mom and dad were getting married, not me. I'm too young. So this is like the bar area where we get the chairs because we built a fort. See me. Okay. We moved the coffee table. We have this. So here's where we like sometimes we eat dinners. Oh, hello! We're doing a vlog.
You're doing a vlog?
A vlog. This is where we usually sit and eat. We got the kitchen. Oh yeah, wait, kitchen. So here's the pantry area. Here we have my room where we usually do my videos. Here's my closet, and you might say it's toy world. It's like a toy planet. So here we got a lot of stuffed animals. And okay, guys, you gotta be quiet. I'm gonna go scare my sister. She has a friend. She's like, I call her sister, but she's like. What's up? And you're a part of a YouTube video. And you're in a vlog. That was good for the. That was good for the.
Did you just burn yourself?
Wait.
Oh my God, wax all over you. It's on YouTube.
What? So this is basically my sister's video.
I don't want to see the video.
Well, you are. So we put our backpacks and all that right here. We got the laundry room. Let me see. Wait, let me see how much the video. There's a little fridge
Are we
and all
going to
that.
show them outside?
Maybe. Here's the dining room. It's a little bug. Here
Love bugs.
we got like our little stand. In this little room we got this
Coats.
and okay, so here we get the hallway. That's the guest bedroom.
And that's the guest bathroom.
Yes. And this is my mom's bedroom. Someday we're gonna do what I have an Xbox. It's like here. Oh God. Here's the Xbox. Someday we're gonna do a Fortnite video, and I'm gonna have a Fortnite channel and a vlog channel, guys. And soon a cameraman.
Camera lady.
Camera lady Mackenzie is gonna have her own channel. So this is basically the bathroom, the master bathroom. You're gonna be showing the toilet.
I'm not.
And yeah, we got the master bedroom.
Do we need to turn off the lights?
It's okay.
Can we show them?
Here is where we have like our towels, more blankets.
We should use that for some.
Come on. So, we're kind of having like an ant like problem or something. Here we have the garage. Let me get y'all a better light so y'all can see it. got it like organized. This is my dad's dirt bike. We love dirt bikes, guys. We love dirt bikes.
You should give them a gift basket.
So here we get the basketball goal because someday I'm gonna play
Please
basketball.
don't tell me it's raining.
It's not raining.
Okay, good. I don't want it to get wet.
Some night I'm gonna do a YouTube video out here. So basically these are the cars. Don't worry. I don't have a Lambo yet. I don't have a Lambo yet.
What's a Lambo?
So this is basically the front yard. It's a lovely neighborhood. This was like $13,000 or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this house is like pretty old. It's not like that old. We were the first ones to move in, so basically, yeah.
Y'all been living in here for like a year, right?
Yeah, kind of like years. We've been living in this house for like kind of like a year, and we love this house, but like I kind of moved, which like breaks my heart. So I love my old town because I like all my buddies and we gotta like come back and forth. So I'm kind of sad. I'm trying to get over it. I'm just trying to get used. But hey, when you move, guys, you get to meet new friends. Yeah, that's basically the house tour. But
you guys show them the backyard.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go show you the backyard, and like we're having kind of like a party, like the
Grown-up sesh.
Yeah, like so. Should we show the garage door?
Yeah.
But come on.
And Booty barges in with that thing and says, "Hey guys," and the candle wax spilled all over me with the shirt.
Is that mine?
No, it's Mama's.
Y'all right there. Your mom would be on.
Be careful.
What are you, Marilyn? What are you?
And out here we have the backyard.
At 455-4599. Northwest Florida's.
We have cornhole. And you can see my mother again. This is basically the backyard. We're gonna have lights soon. Come on.
We were playing fun games.
Yeah. We got cornhole. We got like that toss game.
I missed you.
So now it's time to go back to the fort. Fort time.
This kind of hurts my arms.
You okay? Oh dang! Like I have the computer now. I get back in the fort. Okay, and we have a royal protector. The protector of the fort. Please welcome King Kong. And in the fort, we got our alarm clock. It's set to 5:30 a.m. So we're gonna wake up extra early. And I'm doubting it. Should we like end the video here? So guys, hope you like this video, and please like and subscribe and comment down below. I can reply to many of you as I can. So guys, in the next video, and you'll see her. Good. Wait, we can't end it like that. We gotta show the dogs. Oh, I'll go get him. Get that. No, we're walking down. Get the car. Get the camera. I tried. Get the camera. I tried. You gotta do this to this. It hurts. Well, your camera did. Your life is gone. Get your big boy out. Why? Could we get like a few minutes left before?
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, I've been telling them that for
So,
too much.
right here we got the little maggot.
And they haven't done it. They're like, we don't have it. I'm like,
Say hi, BB.
You're on YouTube.
I have.
Oh, and there's Doodles over there.
This is the old man.
Come here, Doodle.
Okay.
Doo-doo.
Okay, he's old. He's like 98. He can't hear. He can see, but he just can't hear. So, yeah, he is like pretty old. So,
Say bye, baby. Say bye.
oh, he can do a trick, guys. Wait, should we put you on the trick?
Yeah.
Okay, look. BB can do a trick. You want a trick? Wait, show the camera. Okay, watch this, guys. Come on, baby. Move the camera. Okay, get like the whole view. I get the. See, look, guys, look at him. He's sitting on his butt like a human. Oh, dang it! Oh, did you get the whole thing?
Yeah.
Let's go like. Back to the fort again. Oh, we gotta show them this. Okay, so this is like our sink area. We got a paper towel and look. Wait, show it. No, let me show you. See, look right here. This lever. Okay, I know what you're all saying. Elizabeth, push the lever. What? It's a garbage disposal, which it tears up all the leftovers if you don't want them. See what? Don't do it! It sounds like a lawnmower. So, and I bet you like my gaming cat. You remember seeing this bad boy? You were probably like, Elizabeth, why don't you wear it anymore? I'm wearing it in my vlogs. Hey guys, if you go for this team right here, comment, I love Auburn. And if you hate it, don't watch any of my videos. I'm joking, I'm going to watch my videos. And if you hate me, who are you? I'll show you. Hey guys, okay, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and comment down below. Remember to comment if you like Auburn. So, goodbye.